Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Spark Mark here, and I'm back to do my haul video, my Vinegar Syndrome New Year haul video that I ordered during New Year's, and it's here, including this one, which I got off of eBay, which you're gonna see for that one for last. These two are vinegars, so is this one. So yeah, enough chit chat. Let's see what I hauled during New Year's. Let's check it out, like right now, folks. Let's go. All right. Okay, so first up, we're gonna go to the Vinegar Syndrome, that what I ordered. And first things first, I'm gonna go through this one, which is Walking the Edge, and the tagline is "All hell broke loose when they stopped." When they stopped. And this is, of course, a film called Walking the Edge. I already said that name. And the film is a 4K restoration scan. It's from the 35mm original camera negative. Okay, Scoring the Edge, new interview with composer Jay Chataway, Detective Jurgensen, remembering Forrester and Spinell, Joe Spinell and Robert Forrester, the actors, and a new interview with French Connection cop Randy Jurgensen. Breaking Point, a new video essay by filmmaker Chris O'Neill. Theatrical trailer, image gallery, booklet with an essay by filmmaker and writer Jim Hemphill. Newly recorded audio, commentary by historian Chris Poganelli and film producer Matt Verbois, and archival audio commentary by director Norbert Misiel and star Robert Forrester and actress Nancy Kwan. So yeah, this is in early 80s. What is this, in 1983? It was released in 1985. The film went in production. I have no idea. I gotta retake a look at this. So yeah. So it looks like we got some people from Maniac and Vigilante, which those two were done by William Lustwick, which is these two films with Jay Chadwick. And then you got the director of Mafia Girls, or would later direct Mafia Girls, Frankie Hill from Friday 13 Part 4, the final chapters in this film. And then you got Repo Man actor Louis Coutress, if I said the name right. And then, oh, right, very well. Very well. Worldwide debut on Blu-ray, this film is. So yeah, have you heard about what was going on? There has to be a replacement disc, and lo and behold, I got a replacement disc. But I'll take a look at this first thing in the morning. So yeah, to anybody interested in buying this film, ask Vinegar Syndrome to give you a replacement disc when you order this movie. So yeah, that's a good thing they did that. Next up, we have the Tiger Claws trilogy. Not just Tiger Claws. Tiger Claws 1 through 3. And wow, Bolo Young is in it. Cynthia Rothrock is in this. That's Bolo Young and Cynthia Rothrock. Kick-asses of the 80s and 90s. Let's see what's in here. And one more thing. This is edition of 5,000 units. And this one's number 3946. So let's take a look at this quickly. All 3 discs, and whoa, and wow, these are region free, yes. So yeah, you better, this and there's one from the year I was born. My buddy turned 1 that year, and another friend turned 3 that year. My buddy was around 2 at the time, and a few of my homies and homegirls. Yeah, 1996, wow, and 1999, wow. That was the year it became big on MTV and other things. I still did at 1998, though. But yeah. Got some people from the world of John Carpenter, which is Carter Wong of Big Trouble in Little China, Martial Law, China O'Brien, played by the great Cynthia Rothrock, and then you got Bolo Young from Bloodsport and Double Impact. Double Impact came out the same year as Tiger Claws 1. And so yeah, I got some making of the Tiger Claw films, interview with Cynthia Rothrock, Jalai Marian. I can't even say that name right. These two names, so I can't even tell. Correct me if I butcher those. You got definitive documentaries here. Wow. Not bad, huh? So yeah. And then next up we got TC2000, starring Bolo Young, Chola Murray from the world of the Tiger Claws films. And then you got actor Billy Blanks. And lo and behold, it came with the Slippy. Wow. Now that there's badass right there. This is a wicked poster. Just look at it. Here's the Blu-ray itself, and let's see how much number. 3604 out of 5,000. Wow. These are very cool slipcovers. No lie, no kidding. And this came out when my buddy was born. And whoa. Limited edition of 5,000, yo. What the hell, yo? The film was directed by TJ Scott, and it's got these people. Harry Mook is in this film. And yeah, it takes place in the future. Billy Blanks was in Blood Fist 1 with Don the Dragon Wilson, and then he was in The Last Boy Scout in the opening of the film. And then you got Bolo Young from Enter the Dragon, back when he was in his young years, back when Bruce Lee was alive. Then you got, Tiger Claws, that actor, and plus Bolo Young is in it, and then Martin Matias Heiss from films like Kickboxer 2, and would later work he was also in the film with Dolph Lundgren, I Come in Peace, aka Dark Angel. He's an actor and bodybuilder as well. And this is the first time this film has been on Blu-ray, scanned in 4K from the original camera negatives. Great job, Vinegar Syndromes. Give us shout-outs. So yeah, I was 2 at the time when this film came out. So my buddy's mother was pregnant with him at the time when this film was released. So my buddy was born in December of 93. And some of my homies, one of them was turning 4 at the time, and another friend was 4 at the time, and another buddy was around my age. And yeah, this is a sci-fi action film with kick-ass scenes. I gotta give this a watch. Seriously, I really gotta give this film a watch. And last but not least, I got this from eBay. And what is this film called? Six String Samurai. Okay, I want to make things clear. When I first noticed this name, I thought this is like Japanese or something. Another title name or alternative. But when I noticed this was around the time of when rock and roll died, this and that, I was like, okay, I'm interested. Thanks to a buddy of mine, thanks to 2 of my buddies, and little pair, and here it comes, like New York Ninja, a booklet, and you got the film. Here's a slipcover how it looks, but there's no titles, no nothing. I'm gonna say that's the artist named Hillard, but you don't see his first name. So yeah, wow, he knows martial arts. So here comes the film in a nice 4K Ultra HD. Wow, very cool. So yeah, it takes place in 1957 around the time, and then here we go, and this is the character of the character leader of Buddy. So yeah, and then you have Red Elvises, and this is a very good film, released in 1998, and people noticed that this was a student film. the director of this film, what's his name? If I can't, oh yeah, Eli Drenner. This was his and Lance Munia, if I said his name right. Yeah. This is definitely a student film. This was 1998. My buddy was 4. A friend of mine was turning 3 that time, and then another friend was turning 5, and one of my friends was 7. I was 7 at the time as well. Another friend was, 2 of my friends were 8 at the time. Another friend was turning 8 at the time, and wow. So yeah, it takes place in a post-apocalyptic wasteland, and then you got these rock and rollers saving the day. This ought to be interesting, and I am definitely going to give this film a watch. And really, when I saw this at Sinister Night, where they were selling these things, Vinegar Syndrome has a stand. Wow. But I wasn't even interested in Six String Samurai. What is this? I mean, I know katanas is samurais and stuff, but not so much of it. And let's take a quick look at the booklet. Oh wow, I gotta make sure this stays outside. So yeah, here's the booklet, and you get informations of everything in this. Wow, very cool. Well, here they're setting the cameras. Knowing the way of the samurai. There's the guitar and the katana. Let's see if I can just. Pretty cool. So that's all there is to know about this movie. This is indeed independent student film. I don't even know how much was this movie though. You just get this closed. There we go. The dude designs. This is one hell of an artwork. Very, very cool indeed. And that's the Vinegar Syndrome logo. Wow. This is one hell of good artwork. So yeah. These are all the artwork for the film. Take one last look. How did you enjoy this haul video for the Vinegar Syndrome haul of New Year's? This is what it's going to be called. Vinegar Syndrome New Year haul video. So yeah, tell me what you think of it. What titles did you purchase during New Year's, or you're about to purchase? And in fact, in about next week, I am definitely going to make a pre-order for Girlfriend from Hell, starring Lainey Curtis and Dana Ashbrook. Yep, I am definitely getting that movie because I've been craving for this movie to get a Blu-ray release. It hasn't got a DVD release. It has gotten a VHS release. It was on YouTube about 2 or 3 years ago, but the YouTube took it down, so now I'm planning on pre-ordering that soon as I can until the release date, January 25th. So yeah, pre-order it right now, y'all. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you, and enjoy the rest of the day. Catch you later, y'all.